Hi, parents. My name is Jenny Lee, and I'm a psychology and empowerment specialist for youth. Welcome to the Parenting Compass, where we navigate the complexities of modern parenting together. Today, we're talking about a topic that is crucial for your child's success and happiness: fostering emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand and manage emotions effectively. Research shows that kids with high EQ tend to have better relationships, perform well academically, and grow into empathetic, resilient adults. In this video, I'll share research-backed strategies, practical tips, and real-life examples to help you nurture emotional intelligence in your children. Let's get started. Why emotional intelligence matters. Before we dive into the tips, let's understand why emotional intelligence is so important. Statistics to consider. According to Harvard University, kids with high emotional intelligence are 4 times more likely to succeed in leadership and teamwork. A study from Yale's Center for Emotional Intelligence found that students who developed EQ skills were 20% less likely to experience stress-related academic issues. By teaching your child to recognize, express, and manage their emotions, you're giving them tools for lifelong success. Actionable tips to foster emotional intelligence. 1. Teach them to recognize emotions. Helping your child identify their feelings is the first step in building emotional intelligence. How to teach this? Use a feelings chart with pictures of emotions like happy, sad, angry, and excited. During conversations, name the emotions you observe. It seems like you're feeling frustrated. Is that right? Case example. I worked with a family whose 6-year-old struggled with tantrums. By introducing a feelings jar, where the child could pick a card with an emotion and discuss it, tantrums decreased as the child learned to express feelings verbally. Challenge: kids might not always have the words to describe their emotions. Be patient and provide examples to help them articulate their feelings. 2. Model emotional regulation. Children learn emotional intelligence by observing how adults handle their own emotions. How to model this? Stay calm during challenging moments. Instead of yelling, say, "I need a minute to think before I respond." Share your process. "I was upset earlier, but I took a deep breath and now I feel better." Tip: apologizing when you lose your temper shows your child that everyone makes mistakes and it's okay to own up to them. Research insight. Studies from the Journal of Child Development show that kids who see parents regulate emotions are twice as likely to develop strong coping skills. 3. Encourage empathy through role-playing. Empathy is a cornerstone of emotional intelligence. Activity idea: role-play different scenarios with your child. For example, how would you feel if a friend forgot your birthday? Then switch roles and discuss how their friend might feel. Example: a teen I worked with became more compassionate after practicing role-playing at home with siblings. They started identifying classmates who seemed lonely and inviting them to join group activities. Challenge: some kids might struggle to see things from another's perspective. Encourage small steps, like noticing how others react in stories or shows. 4. Teach problem-solving skills. Emotional intelligence isn't just about feelings, it's also about handling conflicts constructively. Steps for problem-solving. 1. Identify the problem. What's bothering you right now? 2. Brainstorm solutions. Encourage your child to come up with at least 3 ways to handle the situation. 3. Evaluate the options. Discuss the pros and cons of each choice. 4. Choose and reflect. After they act, talk about how it went and what they learned. Case example. One family I worked with used these steps during sibling disputes. Instead of fighting, the kids started solving problems together, strengthening their relationship. 5. Foster a positive environment for expression. Create a space where your child feels safe expressing emotions. What this looks like: validate their feelings. It's okay to feel upset. Everyone feels that way sometimes. Avoid dismissive phrases like, "Stop crying, it's not a big deal." Tip: encourage creative outlets like journaling, drawing, or music to help your child process emotions in a healthy way. Addressing common challenges. What if my child is overly emotional? Some kids feel emotions intensely. Help them create a calm corner with items like stress balls or calming music where they can go to self-regulate. What if my child doesn't open up about their feelings? Start with light, open-ended questions. What was the best part of your day? Gradually, they'll feel more comfortable sharing deeper emotions. What if I struggle with emotional regulation myself? It's okay. Be honest and tell your child, I'm working on this too. You'll grow together and your efforts will inspire them. The long-term benefits of emotional intelligence. Teaching emotional intelligence goes beyond childhood. It sets your child up for a lifetime of success. Key benefits include stronger relationships. Kids with high EQ are better at resolving conflicts and building meaningful connections. Resilience. They're more equipped to handle stress and setbacks. Leadership skills. Emotional intelligence helps them understand and inspire others. Research insight. The World Economic Forum predicts that emotional intelligence will be one of the top 10 skills needed for the workforce by 2030. Helping your child develop emotional intelligence is one of the most valuable gifts you can give them. To recap: 1. Teach them to recognize and name emotions. 2. Model emotional regulation in your own behavior. 3. Use role-playing to foster empathy. 4. Teach problem-solving skills to handle conflicts constructively. 5. Create a safe, supportive environment for emotional expression. Thank you for watching The Parenting Compass. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. Together, we can raise a generation of emotionally intelligent, compassionate, and resilient kids. See you next time.